No!
Yay! Micah! You got
Yay, Micah, you did it!
We're watching a KittiesMama family vlog. KittiesMama. So today is Christmas Eve. I haven't done anything with my hair except for brush it. It was worse this morning, but it's still very bad. But I'm probably gonna straighten it later. We have church today because it's Christmas Eve, and church is important on Christmas. So we're doing that, and it's gonna be some special ceremony thing, right? Special.
Why is it important on
Special Christmas stuff, because Christmas is all about Jesus. So church is important to tell you the meaning of Christmas, and there's also other things. There's lots of singing involved, and you get dressed up all fancy. Okay, so we're about to leave for church on Christmas Eve. My hair is a mess. Oh geez, oh my. Oh geez, I should probably fix that before we leave. Anyway, so we're about to leave, and Micah is over there, and he's ready. He's ready. He's being cute.
Slightly cute, he is.
Slightly. He's going, he's off. We're on the way to church. So I finished my makeup. As you can see, I took off my coat because it's very hot in the car. But this lipstick will be gone by the end of the vlog, I can guarantee it. But now we're at church, so let's go on inside. I just broke my nail. And your tights. Because I'm pulling my tights, and I just intensely broke my nail. Good job. I could just rip it off right now. Do it. But there's still a tiny piece of skin attached. It's disgusting. Gosh. I mean, just look at it. Oh my gosh. Is that fake or is that real? This is a real nail. Oh, hi. How's your day, Bam? Bad, okay. What a sweet baby.
As we light the Christ candle, let it remind us of the night of Christ's birth, when he veiled his glories, taking the form of a servant. May it also cause us to look forward to the day of his coming again, when he will return in all his glory. We're leaving the church and Micah's being a cute little patoot.
He's a troublemaker. Yeah.
Hey, look, now you can see my outfit. Except the sleeve.
Oh, it is colder.
This is what Emma spent 2 hours shopping for. It's very nice and frilly.
Should we have actually
My coat looks giant at this moment. But we finished church and now we're gonna stop at Walgreens to buy some Christmas cards last minute. And then we're going to our grandma and grandpa's house to do some Christmas things. So let's go do that.
What is it? I made it very baby easy to get into.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
You can do this, Micah.
What? You gotta feel what it feels like first.
What if I take the packaging out and you can see there's something in there?
What is that, Micah?
It's a Christmas present of some kind.
He still wants the package. Oh, yeah.
I was just like, what is this weird thing poking me? I'm gonna get that out of the way.
Get that out of my way.
There's a bag over here. It's so much more interesting.
Let's see which one you like best.
Ah, there it is.
Nice.
Easy choice.
You gotta see what the brush does.
Some travel business? Oh, it's one of the portable ones.
Oh, you can take down the mirror and shove the things in it. So it's a nice little compact thing of
Everything you can't find when you're somewhere.
yeah. All the hair ties suddenly go missing whenever you're going on vacation.
Let's do it for now. And then we'll say
No.
What could possibly be in here?
That is actually
Let's
a good
see.
question.
My God.
What?
There's a little things. Those robot things.
What?
What is it? What did you get?
Paper?
He's got alien aces.
I got
What is it? What is it?
sorry.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, it's a 3D
So basically,
puzzle.
you put it together and then you wind it up and it moves.
Well, it even says
that you guys
they show on there you can actually race them. You
And
might have to clear the table and try that
Oh my, we
later.
gotta open it. We gotta start building the
Another for Micah.
Micah's trying to get into here. This one's
All right.
all over the packaging.
We specifically baby wrapped it. Other present.
Other presents more fun. The garage sale find is a lot more fun. There we go, Micah.
It's the little things. Oh no, I think if we take a peek.
Oh, what?
She thought she had me wrangled to where there was no way for her to lose, and I win.
No.
Yay! Micah! You got
Yay, Micah, you did
It's
it.
a bonus DVD, I just noticed. It's a bonus DVD.
Oh, yes. Yes, I get it.
It's starting to come together.
Yes, I did it.
What are you making, Jonah?
A thing.
Scorpions.
I'm making
What are they
a
called exactly?
xenomorph.
Scorpion rising.
Scorpion rising.
I saw you.
So we're about to leave our grandparents' house, and I got some art supplies for Christmas, and I also got a traveling hair kit 'cause my hair is a mess. I also need to fit things into my bag on the travel, on the go. You want to drink before I'm talking to myself up here? But anyways, that's that. I also figured out there's a mysterious stain like on my shirt near the hip. But I can tuck it into my shorts and make it disappear. Also, I never showed you my full outfit. I've got some kind of sparkly-ish shorts and tights. That's all. And this, which is very nice. I really like this.
Okay, so right now we are driving around looking at Christmas lights. It's a bit misty outside. It's a bit misty out there.
So, we have gotten home from our Christmas Eve And tomorrow is Christmas. And we have even more stuff to do tomorrow. I might wear the same thing because I don't know. But anyways, comment down below how your Christmas was, even though that was yesterday's question. Comment down below how your holiday / Christmas was, what you got. Well, wait, this is Christmas Eve. Comment down below what you did on Christmas Eve or Hanukkah, because I think today is Hanukkah, right?
Today is the first day of Hanukkah.
Yeah, I don't know. But anyway,
Dare you not know that?
I don't know anything. Anyways, comment down below how your Christmas Eve / holiday went. So, thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and bye, Chewy.
Peace out, YouTube.
Too lazy to go.
See you tomorrow, YouTube. Okay, thanks, bye.